All right, so cheers to Fogo De Chao. Cheers to the Fogo De Chao on this fine day.
Can't reach it. Come on, we didn't do it yet.
All right.
What's it, cheese? Cheese.
We have our chorizos and our salad bar from the market table. So,
What did you get us from there?
her steak was a little gritty. The chorizo was pretty tasty. What do they have? So there it is. We just had the filet mignon, which was delicious. Right? All right. There's a rare piece there. Look. There's the rare filet mignon. So the bill was $3.25. Each of the all meat, all red holiday meal was $68.50
This is the freshest chicken
at Fogo De Chao. So we had a fine meal. It was plenty to eat. We tried all the different cuts, and this is how we celebrated our Easter. So our whole bill was $3.25 for 5 people, which isn't bad with all the different cuts of meat. So cheese. So how did you like your steak? Rare. There might be a surprise. So, Fogo De Chao, Brazilian steakhouse, where we had another fine meal
Dad, hold this.
here at the WillowBrook. The Easter carrot cake with the peeps.